From a distance, the islands of Diego Ramirez appear wild and uninhabited, except for a tiny naval weather station. But these remote islands to the west of Cape Horn are home to more than 1 million birds. Just a few metres from the helicopter landing site, grey-headed albatross and their chicks are nesting, and beneath the tussock that covers the islands, more than 1 million blue petrels nest in burrows. It's just amazing how trusting these birds are. These are young albatross breeding on the island here, and that's one of the reasons why these islands are protected and access is restricted, is because there's an enormous population, tens of thousands of albatross breeding here, and one pest, one rat, and it would absolutely decimate the population. The number of albatrosses on the island have been steadily increasing over the last 15 years. International efforts to stop fishing boats catching them on their long lines has helped, but the island's remote location has also played a role.
What's been the saving grace here is there are so many islands in this part of South America with all the fjords and the islands offshore that these are the most remote of those islands. People haven't had a really strong incentive to go out there. And it was such a privilege to be able to go to an island that's effectively alien-free. There are no introduced mammals, and I didn't see any introduced plants. Yeah, it's spectacular.
These are the last islands we visit on this month-long leg of the voyage, which has taken us from Hobart via Antarctica to Chile. Along the way, more than 10,000 samples have been taken and millions of bytes of data have been recorded, all in pursuit of a better understanding of climate change.
We need much more scientific data. We need focused measurements, focused expeditions to learn more about specific regions on our planet and how those are impacted by the global change.
On the last day of the voyage, we sail through the fjords of Patagonia. It's a landscape shaped during a very different ice-bound period in Earth's history. A reminder that climate change has taken place before, but never at such a pace, nor as the result of human activity. Tarek Basley, Al Jazeera, Diego Ramirez, Chile.